you've got HighByte's Intelligent Hub. So tell us a little bit about that, from a crucial role of digital transformation driving industrialization. I mean, how do you see the role of industrial data ops changing, maybe from past years over the past 5 years?
Yeah, so 2-3 years ago when people would come up, they didn't know what industrial data ops was. They were trying to understand why it was needed, why it was important. Now, people come to us, they're seeking us out, they understand something about industrial data ops, they're looking to learn more, they're still looking to learn, but the real key thing is people are realizing they need a data strategy, and what we're seeing that's motivating that is, certainly digital transformation is motivating that, but AI has taken that to a whole new level, that they're really realizing that AI needs good data, and AI is now running not just in the cloud with agentification and all of that, it's going to be running on edge, it's going to be running in data centers. So how do we create a data strategy to drive data across all of our systems and really build a discipline there? And that's what industrial data ops is. So lots of questions around that, a lot of excitement there.